An inspired final session performance from the West Indies fast bowlers has given the Caribbean side a chance to go for victory on Sunday's fifth and final day of the first test against England at the IGS Bowl in Southampton. England went to stumps at 200. Pretty sure, early of course, England went to stumps at 284 for 8 with a lead of 170 runs.
It was an uncharacteristically subdued innings from Jermaine Blackwood, whose 154-ball innings brought the Caribbean side to within touching distance of the victory. The Jamaican came to the wicket sooner than expected, with the visitors reeling at 27 for 3, having been set 200 runs to win. The Windies first lost Jamaican John Campbell through injury, but there was no coming back for Craig Brathwaite, who was bowled for 4. Shamar Brooks quickly followed without scoring, with Jofra Archer claiming his second and the Windies 7 for 2. Shea Hope showed glimpses of his 2017 form, but once again failed to deliver, as Mark Wood showed why he was selected over Stuart Broad. Pace and precision left the visitors staring down the barrel with 3 wickets down. But in walked Blackwood, who started a steady rebuild with Roston Chase. The Jamaican was watchful at the start but capitalized on anything loose. The two had some close calls, but still managed to add 73 runs for the 4th wicket. But with 100 on the board and 100 more runs to get, Archer delivered a brute of a delivery to remove Chase for 37. Blackwood then found a new partner in Shane Dowrich as he brought up 50 on his return to international cricket. The Blackwood-Dowrich duo added 68 runs before England captain Ben Stokes threatened to produce one of his match-winning magic tricks. He removed Dowrich for 20, with the Windies 32 runs away from victory. With all this happening, Blackwood was inching closer to a second test ton. But at 95, what seemed like the old Jermaine Blackwood resurfaced, as he did in the first innings, picked out James Anderson at mid-off, with the Windies 11 runs from victory. Jason Holder 14 and John Campbell 8 then completed the formalities, as the Windies achieved victory at 200 for 6. Archer was England's best bowler on the day, ending with 3 for 45, while Stokes had 2 for 39. Now, earlier man of the match, Shannon Gabriel picked up England's final 2 wickets to end with 5 for 75 to go with its 4 for 62 from the first innings. Archer added 18 to his overnight 5 as England, resuming at 284 for 4, were bowled out for 313. Roston Chase and Alzarri Joseph had 2 wickets each. The second test starts on Thursday.